The Great Emu War of Australia occurred in 1932 and is an unusual episode in human history. In an effort to combat a large population of emus damaging crops in Western Australia, the government declared war on the birds. A group of soldiers armed with Lewis guns was sent to eradicate the emus and protect the farmers' livelihoods. However, the emus proved to be formidable opponents. They possessed incredible speed and agility, making it difficult for the soldiers to effectively shoot them. Additionally, the birds quickly adapted to the fighting tactics, scattering in different directions upon the sound of gunfire. Despite their efforts, the soldiers only managed to kill a small number of emus during the operation. This unique conflict highlighted the resilience and adaptability of wildlife even when faced with human intervention. The Great Emu War ultimately ended with the withdrawal of the military, and the emu population continued to thrive. The event has since become a source of humor and fascination, often described as a rare instance of humans losing a war against animals. It serves as a reminder of the complex relationship between humans and nature, and the unexpected challenges that can arise when attempting to control or alter natural ecosystems. The Great Emu War also showcases the importance of finding sustainable and effective solutions to human-wildlife conflicts, as brute force alone may not always be successful.